Say word. So right now we're in the Nike factory store on Violent. We're gonna take a look at some shoes that's very affordable. We got these Nike basketball shoes. These are Hustle 3s, $109 with additional 30% off. I believe that's $75. And then, y'all don't know, sleeping on the bus, Nike does own Converse. They bought them back in the days, like $300 or $500 million back in 2011 or 12. Anyways, they got these Garçons for $129 for the lows, and the highs a little bit more money. It look like coming in at $129. Oh shoot, the exact same price for the more material for the exact same price. I feel like I'm getting a better deal, to be honest with you. And if you're into Air Force Ones, they got you in multiple different colors. But if you guys are looking for high OGs, they also got the Red Air Ones as well. These are also high OGs. And fun fact, this is the cheapest place I found this shoe. But right now it's $99. The cheapest I found it was around Christmas time, 2025. It was going for $54 before taxes. Just give you a comparison. The Self-Expression adult pair, these are $99. The men pair is $89. And they got the reimagined one lows for $99. Not bad. So back in 2014, if I'm not lying, 2015, these were in the outlet. Same amount of stock. It was a little bit cheaper. I want to say it was $169. And they're back again. They've remade them. Price went up. Still widely available. Kobe's did not sell as people may think they did. Kobe's actually cost more than Jordan's back then as well. These are the Masterpiece. These are another Kobe 9 Elite. High Pocho. Say word. Chicago 1 lows are in the building. That's crazy. $84.99. And they also got the Game Royals, I believe, and the UNC reimagined for $84.99. Not bad prices. So it's very small.
Yes.
It has a rotating gimbal, so you could face it either which way.
Okay.
It has a microphone. And I put this extension on here so it can just mount to the wall so I can talk. Yeah, magnet, exactly.
Oh,
exactly. So this is
the mark, the Garmin, what is the brand?
Yeah, DJI.
DJI.
DJI, yeah.
Beautiful.
It's the most popular handheld camera of this generation, man. That's why everybody uses. No problem, man. All right, you too. And on the rack, they do have the most recent Kobe. These are the faded blacks. $220 is the price. These are the Christmas joints for $199. We got the GGs for $160. These been here for a good while, unless they're restocked. The Moonwalkers, this is not a bad price, but that should be a $220 shoe, fly knit. This is a Kobe 9, I believe.
Dropping like that.
And these threes, I believe these are women threes, sisters threes, maybe. Different. And if you live in Florida, you might be into slides. If you're looking for affordable slides, Nike clearance stores got you. As a matter of fact, you can pick anyone. I guarantee you're going to find some affordable slides, including these. These are Rejuvenates. These are $49.99. They got them in multiple different colors. I bought a pair of these. I actually bought a few of these. I hate to admit it, but I do own quite a bit. Those are $40. So are these. Not mad at the color. Damn, they got a lot of colors. Didn't know they had this many, all for $40, man. I expect to see an additional 30% off eventually to get rid of them. But then again, it is summertime. So if you're shopping for slides in the summer, you're going to have to pay summer prices. And before I get out here, the store's about to close. I know you guys got to close, man. Do my thing real quick. And they got the Halo 3s, all white, $169. I have seen these pairs multiple different places on the hash wall. And they look for Nike basketball. $64.99 for the Giannis or the Freak 7. But guess what? There's more Kobe. These are the aways. $159 for it. And the home pair is the exact same price. And for those who are into Jordans, if you're into Jordan 1 mids, they got you. Patent leather, those for $100. And Jordan brand is having a midlife crisis because this is all what you're going to find in the Nike factory store, mids. Those are $80. These are $100. I don't know where this came from. This looked like some Kool-Aid Air Jordan 1 mid. 99 beans for it. 4th of July is coming up. You want to be patriotic, they got you. $90 for those. I believe these are the Christmas joint of some kind. Black and red colorway, $99. Shallow backboard, not really colorway, $80. The non-OG lows, I ain't mad at it. I wish I had the Nike on the tongue because this colorway is not that bad. Neutral colors for 100 beans. Retail was $130. Patent leather lows for $89. These prices need to come down because I don't see lows moving like that. I mean, $60 is a better option, but it could be cheaper. We can get additional 40% off of it. That'd be cool. But these are the mids. The only retro I see in the building are these. These are the Air Jordan 3 Family Affairs going for $169. Nike on back the hill, olive green, a little bit of hit of orange. $164. I have seen them cheaper. Ooh, it's all good. So I'm gonna take this one, permeated, fused blue, the Witness. Look at the price. $44.97, 30% off. Size 13, 12 or 12 and a half. Don't have it? I'm gonna have to rock with the 13 then. Probably rock with this. Let me know. Yes, sir. It was a last minute type pickup. What's up? Got your way. So put back the 13, was able to get the 12. I think I'm gonna cop this. Alright, now I have to check out in the lines. It's not that crazy. For the end of the day, should be good. I know. This is gonna be like my second witness ever. Remember when they had the soldiers back in the days? I think these take the place of the soldiers, because I actually hooped in the soldier. It wasn't a bad shoe. And I actually like the color. Man, welcome to your terminal.
Man, there's a whole bunch of stuff that's going on wrong today. I'm not even gonna lie.
You're not responsible for it, are you?
Not at all.
Oh, okay.
Our register's not even working right now. So we just add this real quick.
Ever since 2012, y'all remember that Nike. I'm still support.
There we go. 3140. 3350. You just tap. You ready?
33. I think. There you go. All right, thank you, homie. All right, guys, take care. So, I'm in Miami. I told y'all, when I come to Miami, I'm going to bring these with me, and I'm just going to pull to a random court and hoop. So, I got the LeBron Witness. See how I do in these. Never play ball in these, nor do I care. This is crazy. I got some Jordan pants on, a Kobe tee, and some LeBron shoes. But we're here for balling and some exercise, so let's make it.